Negative keywords play a crucial role in refining your Google Ads campaign by preventing your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. By excluding specific keywords that are not relevant to your products or services, you can improve ad targeting, increase click-through rates, center, and reduce wasted ad spend. Here's how to use negative keywords in your Google Ads campaign. 1. Identify irrelevant keywords. Review search terms report. Regularly analyze the search terms report in your Google Ads account. This report shows the actual search terms that triggered your ads. Identify terms that are not relevant to your business. Use Keyword Planner. Utilize Google's Keyword Planner to identify potential negative keywords. Look for variations, synonyms, or broader terms that might attract irrelevant traffic. Consider business specifics. Consider the unique aspects of your business. For example, if you offer premium products, you might want to exclude terms related to discounts or low-cost alternatives. 2. Add negative keywords in Google Ads. Navigate to Keywords in your campaign. Log into your Google Ads account, go to the campaign where you want to add negative keywords, and click on the Keywords tab. Select Negative Keywords. Under the Keywords tab, select Negative Keywords. Click on the plus button to add negative keywords. Click on the plus button to create a new negative keyword list. Choose campaign or ad group. Select whether you want to add negative keywords at the campaign level or ad group level. Enter negative keywords. Enter the specific keywords or phrases you want to exclude. You can add negative keywords as broad match, phrase match, or exact match. Broad match. Ads won't show if the search query contains all the specified words in any order. Example: free, cheap. Phrase match. Ads won't show if the search query contains the exact phrase, or close variations. Example: discount, low cost. Exact match. Ads won't show if the search query exactly matches the specified keyword. Example: free shipping, cheap products. Specify match type. Choose the match type for each negative keyword to define how closely the exclusion should apply. Save your changes. Click Save to apply the negative keywords to your campaign or ad group. 3. Use negative keyword lists. Create negative keyword lists. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu, and under Shared Library, select Negative Keyword Lists. Create a new list. Click on the plus button to create a new negative keyword list. Add keywords to the list. Enter the negative keywords you want to include in the list. Apply lists to campaigns or ad groups. Once you've created negative keyword lists, you can apply them to specific campaigns or ad groups. This allows for easier management and consistent application across multiple campaigns. 4. Regularly review and update. Monitor search terms report. Regularly review the search terms report to identify new terms triggering your ads. Add irrelevant terms as negative keywords. Analyze campaign performance. Analyze the performance of your campaign regularly and adjust negative keywords based on data. If certain keywords consistently lead to low-quality clicks, consider excluding them. Tips. Start with broad match negatives. Begin with broader negative match types to capture a wider range of irrelevant searches. Use phrase and exact match for precision. As you identify specific terms that consistently trigger irrelevant clicks, consider adding them as phrase or exact match negative keywords for more precise control. Implement regular audits. Set up a schedule for reviewing and updating your negative keywords. This ensures that your campaign remains aligned with your targeting goals. By strategically using negative keywords, you can enhance the relevance of your ads, improve the overall quality of traffic, and optimize your Google Ads campaign for better performance. So that's it. See you soon.